How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Firebird 400. It had a complete frame off restoration. It's done in Switchblade Silver. Super cool little car. Paint's real nice on the car. It's got new front bumper. The grills are the originals in excellent condition. Car's nice and straight down the sides. And it's all original panels on the car. Got a nice set of 15-inch Rally 2s with correct PMD caps and black dot lugs. The rear bumper's new with the original taillights. It's a cool looking color on the car. Now when they did the build on the car, they did a blueprint 496 in it, aluminum heads, Chevrolet motor. It's got electronic ignition, it's got vintage AC and heat, power disc brakes, power steering. It's got all the full serpentine pulley kit. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got posi rear with 373 gear, I believe it was. It's got the factory traction bar on the rear end that the Pontiacs had back in the day on the 400 cars. So all the interior is redone. The headliner looks real nice in the car. A nice stereo system. All the seats have been reupholstered, new carpet. It's got AM FM CD stereo, front and rear speakers. They did a nice carpet trunk mat instead of the old vinyl. It's just a really cool car. It's got a set of Hooker Super Comps and 3-inch duals out the back. I tell you, this car hits a lick too. See all the AC controls and the stereo. It's got trio gauges there under the dash. It's got your kick panel speakers. Again, nice thumpy cam in it. Just a cool car right there, buddy. This thing gets it. The car was done about 5 years ago. Still looks really good. That's a good looking car. Got nice sound exhaust. You see the backup lights do work. They're all LED in it. Just a super cool car right there. You don't see many Firebirds either. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Car's got a nice stance to it. Have a great day, folks.